Document types are the pillars of an Umbraco website. They are used to define what kind of content you can put into your website pages. They are also one of the concepts that might confuse new Umbraco users the most. My name is Sophie, and in the next few videos I'll give you a very detailed walkthrough of everything you need to know about document types in Umbraco. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about what a document type is. Basically, they're the most important concept in Umbraco. They are the foundation of your website. They are also what makes Umbraco so extendable and customizational. Before you or your content editors can add content to your site, you need a place to store it and to define what type of content it's going to be. The document types are the data definition for your content. It depends on your needs. You can shape it the way you want to match your specific content. It's important to understand that a document type is used to define the data, but it isn't the data itself. To help give you a better understanding of the concept of these document types, let's take a quick look at this analogy. If you wanted to keep track of a growing movie collection, what kind of information or data would we want to keep track of? This could be title, genre, release date, etc. This is an example of us defining our data. Now we need a way to store it. It could be in a spreadsheet with the fields, and each new row is a new movie. You'll be going through the same process when creating document types in Umbraco. First, you'll define what kind of data you want to keep track of. And once you have that, you can create as much content of that type as you like, because you now also have a place to store it. With that in mind, different types of content will need different document types. You will most likely have a number of different document types on your site, one for each type of content. Let's take another quick look at the analogy. Let's say we also want to keep track of a music or a book collection. Because there's a difference between the type of data you want to store and keep track of, you will need to define different document types as well. That way you'll be able to keep track of the data that's unique to each collection. How many document types you will need for your website highly depends on the website you're building. Some websites only need a few document types, and others might need 100 or more document types. In either case, you can have an unlimited number of document types and an unlimited number of content pages based on those document types. Before we move on, let's do a quick review of this video. Document types are the foundation of your Umbraco website. They're used to store and define your content. Document types are the data definition for your specific content. Different content will have different document types. You can mold and fashion Umbraco to fit your needs precisely. It all starts with document types. Now that I've helped give you a better understanding of the concepts of document types, it's time to move on. In the next video, I will show you how to create a document type.